It's day 3, our final day exploring Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Today, we're leaving the Clark Motel in Eckerman, Michigan, and taking our longest ride of the weekend. It's going to be a 120-mile round trip to St. Ignace. Along the way, we'll hit a ton of water holes and some absolutely beautiful scenery. I honestly couldn't ask for a better ride to wrap up an incredible weekend. Over the course of this trip, we rode more than 300 miles. If you missed day 1 or day 2, you'll definitely want to go back and check them out. On day 1, we rode 80 miles from Eckerman to Rudyard, where we found some serious mud holes, and we even got stuck. On day 2, we tackled a 100-mile loop through the eastern Upper Peninsula, leaving from Eckerman, stopping in Holbert for a quick bite to eat, then making our way to Brimley before heading back to the Clark Motel. On day 3, we are starting our journey by fueling up at Strong's Tavern before setting off on our 120-mile journey to St. Ignace. Along the way, you'll see plenty of mud, incredible scenery, and some of the best trails the Upper Peninsula has to offer. If you're not subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to do so. We put a lot of planning into these rides, and a lot of time goes into filming and editing these videos. As always, I truly appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoy the ride. We made it to St. Ignace and stopped at the Driftwood to grab some food and recharge before the final leg of the trip. We'll be taking a slightly different route back to the Clark Motel, but as soon as we got back on the trail, the rain rolled in and it didn't let up for the entire 60-mile ride home. I did my best to capture some great footage, but the steady rain definitely made it a challenge. I recently installed zip-up windows in my Razor, and they turned out to be an absolute game changer. They kept my wife and I warm and dry the entire ride home. A few others in our group didn't have windshields or windows, so we made a quick stop at a gas station to pick up some ponchos and help everyone stay as dry as possible. If you've been thinking about adding windows to your side-by-side, consider this your sign. They're worth every penny. Thanks for watching all 3 videos from our side-by-side trip to Michigan's Upper Peninsula. I really appreciate you coming along for the ride. I post a new video every week, so I'll see you next Saturday.